Hello friends, welcome to the VMS class. In this video, you will learn how to find the factorial of a number using a loop in Python programming language. This program is important for understanding loops concept along with the mathematical logic and step-by-step multiplication in Python. The concept of this program is you need to find the factorial of a given number. For example, if I take the n, the number is 5. How can we find the factorial? The factorial of a given number can be something like this. 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 5. So it will start from 1 and it go till the number. In mathematics, it may start from n into n minus 1 factorial, that is 4 factorial, and then 3 factorial, then 2 factorial, and then 1 factorial. So like this it will work out. Now the very simplest logic is you can multiply from 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 if it is n is 5. If n is 10, then 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into and so on multiplied by 1. So you know the concept, how you can multiply this. 1 into 2, 2. 2 into 3, 6. 6 into 4, 24. 24 into 5, 120. Like this, the multiplication will work in the human being perspective, right? Now, to do this, you are going to take a variable 1 as fact. Okay, fact equal to 1. Now, you can multiply this with the current number fact equal to fact into 1. Initially, the current fact is 1. 1 into 1, that is 1. Now, the current fact is 1 here. Then fact equal to fact into the current number 2. The current value of fact here is 1 into 2. The current value. 1 multiplied by 2, it is 2. Fact equal to fact into 3. The current value of fact here is 2, okay, 2 into 3, that is 6 here. Fact equal to fact into 4. The current fact here is 6, right? 6 into the current number here is 4. 6 into 4, 24. And then fact equal to fact into the current number is 5. The current fact is here 24 into current number is 5, that is you can get 120. This is how the logic will work. Now what we have to do, you can declare a variable fact equal to 1. Then you are going to use a loop here which starts from 1 to n plus 1 in the range of 1 to n plus 1. This is holding the I value. Every time you are going to multiply this with the current number which is present in the variable I. Okay, that's how the logic will work. Let me write the program here. So we have taken last video as sum of n numbers, right? The same logic will work here. Instead of taking the initialization as 0, we are going to take as 1. Instead of plus, we are going to take multiplication symbol. So let me write the logic here. Program to find the factorial of a number. let me save my program here. Okay, instead of writing in this, I want to take a new file. N equal to int of input of enter a number. Here you are going to provide any number that will stored in a variable n. Now I want to take a variable as an initialization fact equal to 1. Then you can take a loop for I in range of 1 to n plus 1. Every time you have to multiply fact equal to the current fact into the current number. That's it. You are going to print factorial is, comma, you can print the fact. So very simple logic. We have seen in program number 14 how to perform the sum of n numbers. Instead of taking the initialization as 0, we are going to take 1, and instead of addition, now we are going to take a multiplication. Save the program as program 15. Now let's execute the program. Enter any number. Let me give 5. You are going to get the factorial is 120. Then take another test case. If I give the factorial, the number is 10. The factorial of 10 is this one. Okay. So very simple logic. There may be multiple other logics as well. You can use another loop also, like while loop. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel for more updates on computer education. Thank you.